Hey guys, welcome to our channel. And if you want to download the Surfshark VPN for your PC, then this video is for you. So this is a useful VPN that you can download. So for that, the step is pretty simple. You have to watch till the end. So first you have to open your browser, your preferred browser. I'm going to use the Google Chrome browser. Now you have to simply search for Surfshark VPN. So when you have searched for it, you can find the official website here. So you can simply click on it. It is totally free, but there is a paid version, but you can use the free version as well. So from here you can find the download app button clearly here. So you can simply click on download app. Now you have to choose the platform for which you want to download the app. So for example, I'm going to download from a PC, that's why I'm going to download the Windows app from here. So simply click on it. Or if you're using any Apple MacBook or Apple device, so you can go with the Mac OS app. Or also if you are using any Linux version, so you can download the Linux version from here. So when you have downloaded, also you can do is you can download the Chrome extension that you can use on your Chrome browser. So when you have downloaded, you can simply click on the Surfshark setup.exe file. Simply click on it, and you can see it will start installing or start the installation process from here. So you can see extracting the main application file. So you have to wait while it is extracting. So once it's done, you can find the next process prompted on your screen. So you have to simply click on install button here. Now you have to wait until it installs its additional data and the application itself. So from here it is installing here. So you can see it is installing. So when it's installed, you have to simply open the application. So here you can see, simply click on finish. Now, if I just minimize this option here, you can see the Surfshark is now turned on. The application is automatically open on my PC. Now, you have to do is log into your account or create an account. So you can use your Google Chrome browser. So simply click on it and you can use your account, Google account. So simply click on continue. After continuing, here you can see authentication is completed. Now you can find this application here and it is automatically rejected your account, and simply click on continue to log into your account. So once you are logged into your account, you can find different types of location that you can use, and this quick connect button will help you to connect to different IP address and locations. So that's pretty much all thing. Hope you found this video helpful. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, and thanks for watching. Till next time.